Hi, my name is Neesha Zollinger. I'd like to share with you this very quick sequence with the lower body that is simultaneously strengthening and toning and very opening. It also happens to be very uplifting, and it's quick for time, 5-6 minutes. So stand on a sticky mat, stand at the top of your mat, take a moment to plant your feet, then take a huge breath in to circle your arms out and up, and then fold over your legs. You can bend your knees if you like. Check in with your breath. As you breathe in the next time, step your left leg way back into a long lunge. Pause there for a breath. Then plant down into your left hand. Turn your belly and your chest to the right. Stretch and pull your arms away from one another, full reach. And as you exhale, bring your hands down to the floor. Next exhale, lower your back knee down to the floor. Tone your left glute to push your hips forward any amount. Take another deep round of breaths. Now as you breathe in, lift your back knee up. Swivel your left heel down to the floor. Walk your hands diagonally to the left. Push your hands forward and down to propel your hips back and apart. Another deep round of breaths. And then walk your hands between your feet to the middle of your feet. Swivel your right toes in. So you're in a wide leg forward fold. Breathe in to lift up halfway and exhale to fold all the way. Another deep round of breaths. And then walk your hands over to the left. Swivel your left toes to the left so that your left foot is parallel to the long sides of your mat. Walk your hands diagonally forward. Push your arms forward and down to help propel your hips back. Press your inner thighs apart as you breathe in, and as you exhale, steer your outer left hip down and under. Walk your hands to frame your left foot. Swivel your right heel up. Lower the right knee down. Tone the right glute to push your hips forward, getting a nice stretch to the front of the right thigh, front of your right hip. Now flipping the knee back up to the sky, ground into the right hand, turn your belly and your chest, taking this big stretch. Simultaneously squeeze your left knee toward the midline, and as you exhale, bring your hands down. Next exhale, push off of your back foot, step forward. So you're in your standing forward fold again. Knees can be bent or stretch your legs straight. Tap in to you. As you breathe in, step your right leg back into a lunge. Now firm up your leg muscles and push your thighs back to straighten your front leg, or move it towards straight, and then bend into your left knee. Let's do that one more time. Pushing your front leg straighter towards straight. If you like, for a little more stretch, you can peel your left foot up off of the floor to help propel your thighs back in space. Keeping your thighs reaching behind you, pull your belly and your chest and your spine long. And as you exhale, bend into your left knee, swivel your right foot down. Turn your belly and your chest open, stretch your right arm up and maybe even overhead, feeling that full reach from your right foot to your right wrist. And as you exhale, bring your hands down. And again, walk your toes to face forward, all 10 toes facing forward. Deep forward fold here. Now walk your hands over to the left. You can hold on to your left ankle if your hand reaches. You could either stay here or free up your left arm and walk your left hand in a half circle over to the right. So as you're doing this, you might be peeking underneath your left arm. Another deep breath, getting that nice twist in the ribs. Walking your hands back through center. We'll do the other side. Walk your hands over to your right ankle or leg. And go for that big long side body stretch from the left hip to the left armpit, and or take a twist, walking your right arm in the direction of your head and maybe to or toward your left foot, peeking up underneath your right arm. Coming back through center, big round of breath to come halfway up. Exhale to fold. One more deep breath here. Walk your hands over to your right foot, turning your right toes to the right. Lift your back heel up, push your thighs back to move your front leg straighter towards straight. Another deep breath. Exhale to bend. And then one more time, massaging your bones into the tissues. If you did so on the first side, flex your right foot and pull your belly forward, chest forward. Crown of head forward, going for traction in your spine. Next exhale, bend into your right knee, swiveling your left heel down. Turn your belly and your chest again. Open, reaching your left arm up and overhead, full side body stretch. Big breath. And then bring your hands down to the floor. Lift your back heel, step forward into your standing forward bend. Ground into both feet and follow a breath in to come all the way up and release your arms through center and all the way down, and notice how you feel. Thanks for joining me. I hope you feel great.